Hello guys, good morning everyone. My name is Gyanan from English with Village Vlog. Guys, today I am going to tell you about those people who have less confidence, who just give up, thinking that yes, the place, the destiny which I am living is not like good for me, because they have observed so many things from their life. They have failed so many times. They have been humiliated so many times. Why? Because they think that I can't do anything. But guys, we don't get success from like wealthy family, from good education, from a good environment. Guys, no matter what your destiny is, no matter where are you from, no matter what you do, no matter anything about you. So if you believe in yourself, no one can stop you to become success in your life. Because we should stop thinking about that I can't do anything, I don't have confidence, I can't do, I am not mature, I have this thing, I have that thing, I don't have good life. So stop crying. First thing first, I will tell you each and everything how. I was 10 when I decided to learn this language. But the problem was I didn't have anything. I didn't know even each and everything. But I had passion. I believed in myself. So I started my journey. Though people didn't allow me to do this, because that time who can tell you that okay, go and learn. People didn't believe in study. But even I didn't go for study. I loved spending time with my friends, family members. I used to go to farm and I worked 24 hours, and I spent my half of the life with my parents, with my system and culture. I give a million times saying that I can't do it in my life. I can't become anything in my life, because I was I was I was asked so many times, you can't do anything, you are nothing, you are useless person, because without education you can't do anything. So guys, here I am going to tell you, if you believe that yes, after completing my qualification I am going to achieve this, I am going to become like that, so I am really very sorry for you. You have wrong mindset. If you don't know what you have passion, if you don't know what you have dream, you can't do anything with the help of your education. I'm not educated, so many people are not educated. I'm not giving you so many examples that so many people are success in their life without education, because they followed their dream, they followed their passion. That is why they are here. So I am going to prove that yes, only your education is not going to help you to become, to get success. So guys, let me tell you, as far as my life is concerned, I have observed so many things, because the place where I am, the life which I am living, I know very well that I'm not going to get success, I'm not going to become anything. So it doesn't mean that I have to live, I have to stop living my life, I have to give up, I have to think about my success. No, this is your life. You are the owner of your life, you are the boss of your life, so you have to decide what you have to do further. So stop crying, stop sharing your problem with people, and stop telling about yourself to people, because people, they are not going to help you, they are going to humiliate you. So just be alone and just think about yourself, what you want to get from your life, what you want to do in your life. Because so many people, they are running after show off, they want to become like other. No, you should not go for any other people, that okay, seeing you I am going to think that yes, I am going to become like you because you are perfect in your life. No, you have to recognize your passion, you have to recognize your dream, and just follow your dream, believe in yourself, and before it, you have to make yourself stronger. Because if you are not strong, you can't do in your life. You have to motivate yourself, you have to make yourself strong. Yes, I know it is really very quite difficult, and some of them you must be some of you must be thinking that yes, what you are saying, you are nothing, even you are giving me advice. So guys, I'm not giving you advice, you are mature enough, you know what is right, what is wrong. I know, I'm just telling here because yeah, earlier I had this problem. I didn't have any person to guide me to this and that. So forget about people. You don't need any person to guide you. You don't need any person to help you. You are enough for yourself to help. You can help you. You can support you, and you can motivate you, guide you. So become a soldier for your life, become a perfect for your life. So this life is so beautiful, this life is not your enemy. In return, life is going to give you so many things, billion things. Just know how to live your life, know your passion. So guys, I'm going to tell you that learning English is quite hard not to crack. Without teacher, without institute, without environment, without any support, without money, without time, you can't learn this language. Some of them think like this, but see myself. Without teacher, without education, and without environment, without any guidance, I have become fluent in English. How? I never ever follow other people that okay, that person is speaking like that, so I should also speak like them. No, no, no. I'm open person. I whatever I feel I speak again and again. Though I gave up so many times, million times I thought I can't do this, but my passion, it didn't let me sit idle. Again and again forced me to do this, do that. Because if you stop doing something in your life, you can't do anything in your life. You are in front of, you are among billion people. You are alone in this earth. Think, if you are among billion people, so who knows you? Even you can't recognize yourself. So you have to show yourself out of the box, out of the million people, out of the billion people. So who you are, tell people that who you are, why you are here. Because if you are going to become lethargic, you are going to become procrastinate, you can't do anything. Don't follow other people, don't focus what's going on around you, focus on your dream, focus on your life, and just retaliate, and just tell other people that yes, I have done this without any support, without any help, without any environment. Because so many people who have like dream, who have goal, they are success. People say you should not go into your pastime, but I love being in pastime. I learned so many things from my pastime. I never ever go for present time. I know what's going on these days, but why should I go for this, go for that? Why should I like follow other people? Why should I try to become like other people? No, no, no. You have to become what you want to become. You have to show your different personality so that other people can follow you, other people can try to like become like you. Yeah, so I was telling that Learning this language is hard not to crack. However, I have learned how, because my passion made me like this. I had passion. I didn't have time. I didn't have environment. I didn't have teacher. I didn't have institute. However, I have become. I don't focus like I don't focus. I never ever focus about the rule. I just speak. So if you speak, you can become fluent in English. So guys, earlier I was humiliated. I was like demotivated, and I was pushed so many times. People used to say you can't do in your life, you can't do anything in your life because you are nothing, you are totally useless and loser person. That time I didn't mind what other people were saying, because yes, I considered myself, yes, I'm, yeah, of course I'm like this because I don't have education. I live my pathetic life, and I am bound to live this life. I can't do anything for my life. But one day I decided I should try to do something, because life is so big. So me I can do anything. So so that so so that I can do anything. So I started following. I didn't have anything apart from one dream to become fluent in English, and I started doing this. I started doing this being alone. I didn't take support from anyone, and this passion made me like this. Today I'm speaking in front of you. Today my mind works for me. Today my tongue works for me. So I followed what my mind said, what my heart said. So I can't give you advice. Nowadays, all people have platform that is called social media. So just go and start taking advantage of social media. This social media can change you. If this social media can change my life, so it can change your life too. Just recognize yourself, who you are, in which you have interest. So if you know this, uh, if you recognize your interest, no one can stop you. And first, forget about those people. Stop thinking that I have so many things, I have so many people to support, I have so much money to spend, I have so many things to do. If you think, if you consider yourself as a privileged person, as a wealthy person, as a happy person, you can't do anything in your life. First thing first, make yourself uncomfortable with this life. Then this life will give you so many things, because life always play a game with you. So you should not be sad. You should not give your hope. Just keep on working. Then one day life, of course, it will it it will make you its friend. So don't forget about this. Just keep on working and just believe in yourself. Make yourself stronger. So thank you so much guys. I must say, you must have got so many ideas, and you must have got inspired from me. I'm not saying that you should watch so many videos and follow so many people and learn so many things, so many things from other people. You just learn, but you do what you want to do. So thank you so much guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. I will make you so many videos. I will make you stronger. I will give you so many things. So till then, bye and thank you so much.